Recently, Afghanistan has offered to export high quality of coal and base metal to India, and they also said that India can buy instead of buying from Indonesia and Australia at very affordable cost. Hello and good morning, everyone. Today, my lecture topic is India and Afghanistan relation. Friends, we all have seen Mahabharata, in which we know the mother of Duryodhan, Gandhari, who was from currently Afghanistan, and the relation and the link of India and Afghanistan of cultural, religious, people to people connection have mentioned in Indus Valley civilization in the period of Alexander, Mauryans, as well as Buddhism. And pre-independence, Afghan always supported Indian freedom movement. And post-independent in 1949, both have signed a friendship treaty and started diplomatic relation. Until 1990, India supported government of Afghanistan, but after the power of Taliban, India did not recognize. But after 9/11 attack of USA, the relation between both countries have strong, and India provided hundred of millions of dollar for the assistance and the development of people of Afghanistan. Friends, now let's talk what are the area of cooperation between both the country. Then first is political. In 2016, Prime Minister Modi visited Afghanistan and inaugurated many projects, including Friendship Dam as well as newly built Afghan parliament. In 2018, President of Afghanistan Ashraf Ghani also visited India, and both are also member of SAARC. Second is sports. As all we know, both countries love the cricket, and India have also allocated three stadium as a home ground of Afghanistan. And India is also building a cricket stadium for the Afghanistan in Kabul. Third is humanitarian assistance. India have provided vaccine, medicine, as well as medical equipments for the people of Afghanistan. And in the COVID-19 time, as well as India have built a Indira Gandhi Hospital in Kabul. Some other area of cooperation between both the countries, like Indian diaspora, more than 3,000 Indians live in Afghanistan for working purpose as a construction in IT, as well as in Indian embassies as a diplomats. Friends, if I talk about the relation after the Taliban regime, then India did not recognize the government of Taliban, but India have supported the people of Afghanistan, and India follow the policy of Afghan controlled and Afghan led. Also, in the few years back, India have also done a ministerial level meeting in the of the regional countries, and just before some week, India have also done a NSA level meeting of the regional countries, and that was led by the Ajit Doval. Friends, in my conclusion, as today we can see India have done a billions of dollar project in the Afghanistan, and India should continue this all peaceful development project for the people of Afghanistan. And India have also initiated some new meetings for the Afghanistan, and India can unite the world to make the Afghanistan peaceful, sovereign, and united. Thank you.